to our channel. So today, Luis and we decided to make a little maintenance on our A system because we noticed that the flow of water that's coming out of the boat into the water was actually not strong stream. It was just a little flow of water. So probably there was something clogged. So we went over to the AC system and we found that our filter was actually clogged. And we opened it and we found out that the actual strainer that's on the inside, it was very damaged. We're going to show you in a few seconds how it looked, and we decided to change it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it looks in a few seconds. This is the actual filter system, and as you can see, this filter has seen better days. This is a metal filter, and the mesh itself, it was very damaged, so we decided to go ahead and buy a new one. So we went to West Marine and we looked for it. First of all, they didn't have it, but for our surprise, this mesh, actually it was about 50 bucks. And it was crazy because if you can see, it's not high tech. It's just only a piece of mesh that is being sewn there or just glued together. So we decided to look for an alternative. This is when our do-it-yourself part came on. So on West Marine you could actually find metal ones or plastic ones. So what we did was the following. We decided to, instead of going to West Marines, we went to Michael's. Okay guys, so like I was saying, we went to Michael's, and many times I've been there, I saw this mesh that is actually made for, it's actually made to make some kind of rocks and just crafts. And it's actually called, let me see if we can focus there, it's called a plastic canvas. Okay, so I noticed that if you look at this, it actually resembles a lot. The holes are a little bigger for sure, but what we decided to do is like, let's see if this works, because like you could see on the previous pictures, the mesh they have at West Marine is actually a lot like this. So what we decided to do, and by the way, the whole plastic canvas is $1.50 at Marshall's. So what we decided to do is we measured our mesh, we cut it to size, and we did our own filter right here. I'm going to show you right now what we did. Luis is the one who's handy sewing all this together. He used to be a surgeon, so he knows how to do things. So here we go. We're going to show you in a video how this turned out, okay? Hello friends, I need to clarify something about the prices we saw at West Marine. The prices we saw for the very expensive mesh and filter is actually for the ones that look like a little basket. But if you take a look at the picture we're going to show you in a few seconds, you're going to notice that it's actually the same material or very close to the canvas we're using. The mesh that we're making is about $16.99 and higher depending on the size. But if you take a look, it's something that you can actually do on your own and save some money. So I just wanted to clarify that. separate into little metallic parts. This will last forever for sure. And for only $1.50. And by the way, we still have all of this left, so we have plenty of mesh to actually work with. And is it do it yourself for only $1.50. And hopefully that will work for a lot of years. Okay. We hope this actually worked for you, and if you have any comments, just let us know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and let's keep doing some work in our boats, and let's keep helping each other, saving some money. Okay, thanks.